So there's no best line. So we want to make sure we pick our best line. Right now, this is my best line. The middle. I got a space cushion to the right, space cushion to the left, nobody in front of me, nobody behind me, and there's a road surface hazard. Okay, now I move over. Different line. So I adjust my lines based on the hazards that are in front of me. Now, if there's a car in front of me, my new line will be over here. So I have a great line of sight, which we'll be talking about when it comes to planning your ride. So what we're gonna do is actually, I'm gonna turn around here so I can get behind these vehicles so I can tell you all about that. So when it comes to planning your ride, which is, hey, it's number 3 right now. Number 3, planning your ride. Ooh, road surface hazards right here. So I'm in orange stage, prepped and ready. I'm gonna get all the way into this far left lane because I see that guy right there. And I'm gonna do a U-turn and I'm gonna accelerate just so you guys can see what I'm talking about here. All right, so let's go ahead and go with the flow of traffic. Now, this right here is a terrible position for safety. We're talking about planning, right? Position for safety is P. I cannot see around this vehicle. This sucks. So I'm gonna go ahead and position these guys are going fast. Oh my gosh, I don't wanna do this. And then, all right, so now we're gonna, left turner. Go ahead and present myself. That was orange stage. Intersection, orange stage. How do I position myself for safety when it comes to an intersection? It's gonna be a lot like when I'm actually riding. Right now I'm kind of concerned because I'm in their blind spot, so I'm gonna go ahead and move over. We've got a big open lane, multiple stacks on this side. We talked about it in the live stream. So position for safety, this is kind of like how it's gonna be when I'm riding my motorcycle, obviously with a bigger space cushion. Look at the line of sight that I have. Now, I have an escape path right in front of me. If I had to, I'll lane filter. I could swerve to the right. I got somebody behind me. I don't have a good space cushion to the left, but that's fine right now. When we're moving, I'm gonna make sure I can adjust all those things. So this is a great position for safety because the line of sight, escape paths, and soon there will be a good space cushion. Now, locating hazards, I'm always looking for hazards on the ground. We got oil right here, maybe possibly we got some debris up ahead. So I'm gonna show you a little bit what I'm talking about. I'm gonna explain planning my ride. We're still in orange stage right now because we're in an intersection. I'm kind of close. I don't like the space cushion with this vehicle, and I think I'm comfortable going into yellow stage. So I'm locating hazard position for safety right now. I'm not in their blind spot. I can see really far down. Right now, if I'm like this, I can't see past this truck. It's not a good spot. So my favorite spot is over here, but that can adjust because I'm always looking for hazards. If there is some road debris in front of me, I will move over and come right back. And that is part of adapting, the A in plan. I'm adapting to hazards. So if I see a hazard, I'm just gonna go ahead and move over to lane position 2 or the middle position, and I'm gonna move back over to this position, and now I can see even further past this truck. Now, when it comes to navigating threats, we're talking about, red stage. We're talking about a red stage where something comes out in front of me, you know, a coyote or something, or a human being runs across the road, and I gotta swerve out of the way. That's a no bueno. When we're going into an intersection, that's a no bueno because that could be a left turner or even a right turner, or it could be a massive pothole or somebody slamming the brakes. This person's gonna come right in front of me, I believe, because they're hauling ass. Oh, nope, they kind of like that spot a little bit better. Always watch out for things, and it's so difficult to talk about that all in one video. But remember, watch our live streams, take our class. We go in depth on all these things. That way you understand what the heck is going on. But I'm trying to show it to you guys live now in person. So with that said, that is the 3 tips motorcycle riders should follow. It's a little bit discombobulated because I'm trying to show you exactly everything when it comes to, I'm gonna go ahead and turn right here. When it comes to planning your ride, fast is not the goal, and then actually just how I do things here with the orange, with the color code stage, and with everything going on here with the road surface hazards. How to plan your ride is one of the most important things you can be doing when it comes to riding. So once again, take the course. It's cheap, it's inexpensive, it's meant so that you can take it with no risk to you. But with that said, I hope you guys ride safe, be safe, and I will be seeing you later.